Good morning, everyone. Now, today we'll take the third topic of chapter accounting equation. In the previous videos, I already discussed about the presentation of accounting equation and how to calculate profit by the help of closing capital and opening capital with some adjustment. Now, today we'll start with the rule of debit and credit. But before that, you must know the meaning of debit and credit. All account is divided into two sides. The left hand side of account is called debit side and right side of an account is called credit side. In short, we return debit as DR and credit is written as CR. And DR will be written on the debit side and CR will be written on the credit side, that is left hand side and right hand side. The account which shows the debit and credit is often called as T-shape account. So generally the T-shape account contain the two sides. The left hand side called as debit side and it is written as DR. And the right hand side is called as credit side and written as CR. Now move to the next slide. Now the rules of debit and credit. The rules of debit and credit depend upon the nature of account. And for this purpose, all accounts is classified into following 5 categories in American approach. So what are the 5 categories here given below? Asset account, liabilities account, capital account, expenses and losses account, and income and gain account. So this is the 5 categories in which all accounts are to be classified. And what are the rules of debit and credit in these accounts that we'll discuss in the next slide. Now following are the rules of debit and credit in respect of various categories. First, asset account. Now in case of asset account, I'm talking about all asset, whether it is cash, bank, land and building, debtors, BR, any kind of assets. Any increase in asset will be recorded on the debit side and decrease in asset will be recorded on the credit side. So if your asset decreases, then it should be recorded on debit side, and if there is any decrease in asset, then it will be recorded in asset credit side. And it is clearly mentioned that I am talking about the assets part only. Now second, liabilities account. All account which belongs to liability, increase in liability will be recorded on the credit side, that is right hand side, and all decrease in liability will be recorded on the debit side, that is called left hand side. So this is the just opposite of asset account. So increase in liability is to be recorded on credit side and decrease in liability is to be recorded on the debit side. Now talk about the third, that is capital account and income and gain account. So first discuss about the capital account. Capital is again a liability and it is an internal liability, sorry. And what do you mean by internal liability? Which belongs to the owner. That is capital which is invested by the owner, and that capital is a liability for the business which is to be repaid by the business to the owner. So again capital is a liability, and which liability? Internal liability. So in this case of capital account, same rule of liabilities will be applicable. Credit the increase in capital and debit the decrease in capital. So means increase in capital will be recorded on the credit side, that is right hand side, and decrease in capital will be recorded on the debit side, that is left hand side. Same, this rule is also applicable for income, gain and revenue. Now again, if there is a income, gain and revenue, increase in the income and gain will be recorded on the credit side, and decrease in income and gain will be recorded on the debit side. Now fourth one, expenses and losses. Increase in expenses and losses will be recorded on the debit side, and decrease in expenses and losses will be recorded on the credit side. So we can say in nutshell that the rule of asset account and expenses oblique losses account is the same one, because in both the cases, in asset expenses and losses, increase in asset expenses and losses recorded on the debit side, and decrease in expenses losses and asset will be recorded on the credit side. Same like that, the rules of liability account, capital account and income and gain account is also same. Why? Because increase in liability, capital and income and gain, all the three, in all the three cases, increase will be recorded on the credit side. And if there is a decrease in capital, income, gain and liability, then it will be recorded on the debit side. So there are 5 type of categories in the rules of debit and credit, that is asset, liability, capital, income and gain and expense losses. And these following are the 5 rules which is related to the asset, liability, capital, income and gain and expenses and losses. And what is asset? What are the various types of asset? Liabilities, types of liabilities, what is capital account, what is income, what is gain, what are the various expenses of the business, and the type of losses that we already discussed in the previous video or in the video of chapter number 2nd, that is basic accounting terminology. So if you have any doubt related to the concept of that particular account like asset, liability, capital, income and gain and expenses and losses, so please refer to video of chapter number 2, that is basic accounting terminology. Thank you so much.